Okay, so this question, we're given these 2 points P and Q and asked to find the midpoint. Now, the way most of us are taught how to do this is to use the midpoint is to find halfway between them. And the way to do that is add the x coordinates together and divide by 2 and add the y coordinates together and divide by 2. You might even have seen this formula, x1 plus x2 over 2, y1 plus y2 over 2, and that just means if you have a point x1, y1 and a point x2, y2, that's what you do, you add the x coordinates together and divide by 2. So in this case it's going to be 1 plus 7 over 2 and 4 plus minus 2 over 2. Now, just to show that it's minus 2, I'm going to keep it inside brackets. Okay, so 8 over 2 is 4 and 2 over 2 is 1. Okay, so that's the first one there. Okay, next one. Calculate the interior angle for a regular, nonagon or 9-sided polygon. Now the way I like to do all my work with regular shapes is to work with the exterior angle. Okay, and the reason is because we know that all the exterior angles always add up to 360. It doesn't change with any particular number of sides. So to the exterior angle of this regular shape, because it's regular all the same, we can find by dividing 360 by 9. Okay, so that gives us 40. And then we use the fact that the interior plus the exterior add up to 180. So we can get the interior by taking 40 away from 180. So it's 140 degrees. Okay. The last one then is calculate the area of a semicircle with a diameter of 6. So the area of a semicircle is going to be half the area of a circle, which is half times pi times the radius squared. Now we need to be careful. It's the radius squared. So it's going to be half of, and the reason it's half is because it's a semicircle. So it's half times pi times 3 squared. So we get to our calculator and we have that in and we get 14.137166694. Now we need to do a sensible rounding here, so probably 14.1. Because the next number is 3, we don't need to round.